Hello, I'm Ray and this is my gardening channel, and this channel is all about growing your own fruits and vegetables and flowers along with some DIY projects on the way. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, ring that bell and we get notifications when I post some more videos. So let me show you what we're going to be doing today. So today we're going to dismantle a pallet using a few bits of wood. So let me show you. So this is the pallet that we're using, which is a fairly standard size pallet. This one's probably slightly smaller. We've got one broken slat, but the others are quite good. And these end ones are quite handy too. So let me show you how we're going to break it up using these 3 bits of wood. So we've got our pallet, we've got a few bits of wood. So all we're going to do is just lift this part on its own. Making sure this is close to the edge, nothing overlapping, and then we just go onto the edge of the piece of wood here. And we've got our brick because we've got no other tools today, and we just whack just like that. We go on to the next one. This one's slightly narrower. One go. This one is broken, so we'll just continue with that all along the line. Here we go, 1. So thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel then please subscribe, ring that bell. Have you dismantled any pallets and what have you made? Leave me a comment and we look forward to showing you some more pallet projects on the vegetable garden. So thank you very much, cheers for now, bye.